Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and in this video I'm gonna be showing you a little tutorial on a Yennefer of Vengerberg Halloween costume. I just want to say I'm not a makeup artist, I'm just a Witcher fan. I've read the books and played the game, and also I'm super excited for season 2 of The Witcher on Netflix, and that's why I decided to go for this Halloween costume. Let's get into the video. I'm gonna start by putting contacts in and also braiding my hair for the wig, so I'll be right back. So I start out by cleansing my face with micellar water. After my skincare routine, my face gets pretty greasy, so it's hard to get makeup to stick well. I use this foundation. I don't wear a lot of makeup in everyday life, so I didn't end up getting any new makeup for this look. I just used what I had at home. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Nude foundation. So I just went ahead and added it evenly with a what is it called? A beauty blender. Yeah. And remember to apply foundation on your neck as well. Then we go ahead with eyeshadow. I use the Naked 3 palette, which I've had forever. Start out with the brightest shade, put it in the inner corner of my eye and under my brows. Then I apply this kind of beige brown transitioning shade in my crease. Yennefer uses kind of like a smoky eye look with turquoise in the middle of her eye. I didn't have turquoise, so I just went ahead and tried to create like a smoky eye. So it's just applying the darkest shade from the palette and then blending, then adding some more of the darkest shade and then blending. And I like the effect of having kind of the red-brown shade in the crease that makes the smoky eye pop a little bit more. So you would just go out and blend a little bit more. I had quite a lot of fallout from applying the eyeshadow, so I just wipe it away with some makeup remover, and then I went ahead and added more of the foundation. Curl your lashes. You could definitely use fake lashes for this look, but what I noticed is that Yennefer has kind of natural lashes, so I wouldn't wear anything over the top. Yennefer does not wear a cat eye, so here I just trace the upper eyelid with some black liquid liner. Apply mascara. And then it's on to the brows. Yennefer has kind of straight eyebrows, so I have quite thin eyebrows. So I try to make them a little bit thicker, but keep them straight. Here I'm just securing my eyebrows with a eyebrow gel. Then it's on to contouring. I just use a Bobbi Brown bronzer, and I just contour my cheekbones, and I have a pretty small forehead, so I usually don't contour my forehead. I add a little bit on my temples and then under my jawbone. It looks pretty heavy. It's because of the lighting, and without the light it doesn't look so harsh. It also looks a lot better when I have the wig on. Just looks more balanced. So about the costume, I just ordered everything off of Amazon, except for the choker that I had from before. I wanted to get a Yennefer choker, but it wouldn't have arrived in time for Halloween, so I just used something that I had at home that I thought looked quite similar. Here I just add some highlighter under my eyes. And I'll link everything that I used for the costume in the description if you want to put the costume together yourself. I just got a black dress, kind of with like puffy arms, and then a corset, a lace corset at the back. And I love the costume. It turned out really great. And I combined it with some black stockings and black boots. You could also add some fur. In some scenes in the show, Yennefer has like this fur on her shoulders. Here's the wig. This is the first wig I've ever worn, so I'm not really used to it. It's a bit too long. If I knew how to, I would probably trim it a little bit shorter. Here's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.